So, hello traders, and welcome to our Gold Rush Daily, whereby we look at the gold analysis. We have been following on this particular setup, and I think the price yesterday hit our destination, right? As you can see, our destination was hit here. So, what I'm looking at is the extension of this. So I'm looking at the price coming to this other next level. The fact that we had a breakout below this particular zone here. Okay. So let me delete this so that now we can be able to mark it appropriately. Okay. So we have that. Yeah. So this is how I'm looking at this pair today. So when I go to the 15 minutes time frame, I see a very nice consolidation. That is the ascending channel. All right. That is the ascending channel there. Very nice one, which actually has formed. Let me draw it so that you can see. All right. So a very nice ascending channel. So the price was in a downtrend. Then we have an ascending channel. So we are looking at the continuation of the cells. Right. So initially, I was looking at a scenario whereby, in case the price comes to this particular zone, right? So today I was looking or anticipating a retracement to this particular zone to give me some selling opportunities, but the price pushed up, but it was unable to come to this particular zone. But still, this zone remains as a potential selling zone, right? It remains up as a potential selling zone. Remember, we have news in a few, right, at 3:45. 330. Okay. So that level will just remain there because it's a potential selling level. So for now, maybe in case the price doesn't push up to that particular point, in case you're going to see a breakout on the downside from this particular channel, so the price will have given us a BOS around this particular point because this is the major, this is a low point here from a higher low. So in case now we are going to see the breakout from that, also as the price breaks from this channel, then I'll be looking for a retest of this particular level or that order block, and then now we push on the downside. Okay, so because I anticipate the price to come to around 32.92. All right. But remember, even as the price pushes on the downside, it's good maybe probably to look at ways that you can be able to secure some partial profit as well. Because yesterday the price tapped about 3301, almost the 3300 level, and then we saw the price now starting to consolidate in an ascending channel, right? So, but in case the price pushes and breaks above this level, therefore we'll be positioning ourselves for some buying opportunities, targeting the price to come to this particular point. So we will have these kind of setup, right? We will have this kind of a setup. In case we see the price break above that, we will be looking at these kind of a setup. At least a risk to reward ratio of 1 is to 2.63. This other one gives us a risk to reward ratio of at least 1 is to 5.04. All right. So, but the buyers, even looking at it from the weekly, from the hourly time frame, so we anticipate to see more bearish prices at least to 32.92. So that's the range that we'll be looking at, or that is the buyers will be looking at today in terms of what the price is going to do. If you look at it even from the 4-hour time frame, we still see strong selling momentum, right? We still see strong selling momentum. And also in the 4-hour time frame, we have a structure here whereby in case the price comes to this level, then we are going to witness some some selling opportunities from this particular point, right? So that's what we have. There is one more pair that I'm compelled to look at, even though this is not part of gold analysis, but I'm looking at these US CHF JPY. So we saw the price pushing up, creating these particular higher highs and higher lows. And yeah, so here we have, from this particular point, we have a break of structure, a shift in market structure. think I can be able to show you that very clearly from the 5 minutes time frame. So from the 5 minutes time frame, we see the market create a BOS. So the perfect entry actually was at this particular point. But if you look at it from the 15 minutes time frame, this is where the BOS happens on the 15 minutes time frame, or not the BOS, but the shift in market structure. So I'm anticipating maybe a potential push on the upper direction, all right? A potential push on the upper direction. Of course, we cannot ignore this level because it's a key level that the market can reach there and react, right? So in case pushing up, it's good to take something, offload something, and therefore I'm targeting these equal highs, the price coming to take out these equal highs, right? So it's a potential entry that we can maybe probably consider, and also looking at your risk very well, right? So this is about 20, we can have it somewhere there, about 25 pips, right? The JPYs, you can even risk 20, 30 pips max, right? Because the JPYs are a bit volatile, but this is a setup that is likely to give 5.1 is to 5.56, right? So according to that, so if the market is going to play out as per that, so then we are going to, it will be a very perfect trade. Okay. So the reason why I'm saying this level is very critical, it's because you can see also in the 4 time frame, we have an engulfing here. So it is the same zone that we have an engulfing. So it's also good to consider maybe minimizing the risk, taking partials, putting the stop loss at break even. And the moment we break this level, then we will be coming to these particular equal highs. All right. So I thought it was important to mention that. So for gold, we continue monitoring. The buyers is sell. So we are looking for every opportunity for us to be able to get the selling entries, like I have explained. So this one being one, and also once the price breaks below this particular level here, the lows here, then we'll be looking for a retracement coming to the OB here, and then now we look for some more selling opportunities. All right. So remember at 5 p.m. we have the JOLTS job opening report today. So it will likely to affect the USD. So be cautious at that particular time. Ensure that your risk is well minimized, right? Ensure that your risk is well minimized, or you are properly leveraged, so that you don't risk more than you can afford to lose. Okay, remember the rule of thumb is not risking more than 2% of your capital. So with that, guys, we meet again tomorrow for our gold daily rush. And until then, stay focused, stay disciplined, and trade with purpose.